will be there. Now coming back to the SIL, we have not considered as an IPL because this is sharing the same transmitter, same shift, same loop. So we are correct, Guru. You have any opinion?
No, no, same sharing transmitter.
Hey,
See,
can I please just delete the heads up
sharing with functions. Sharing with how many
No,
functions now?
this is the same shift, no? The LSAH. I mean, we are reviewing the LSAHH, and this is the same transmitter, same alarm. This is my understanding.
Okay, no, no, okay, no problem. The same transmitter is fun. Okay, transmitter is causing the trip. Correct,
Hmm. Okay,
correct. No, if it is
probably
a trip, yeah,
probably we can see here.
the trip
We
was
can
having
search.
alarm, right? You are
We can
telling the
search
trip
here.
is having associated with alarm.
L, what is the tag number? I need to search other shift. What is the tag number of LSH? LSAH 02902. 029-02.
Uh,
Zero
yeah,
two
just 10,
zero.
yeah.
And then the LSDH, right?
There was remark. It was remark.
No, go to left. Go to left. You didn't. Yeah. No, this one.
Are we
Next.
checking the correct? Are we checking the correct sheet?
Yeah.
That means LSAH 020902 has not been considered as an IPL, right?
Yes. No, no, you
Yeah.
cannot consider this as IPL because this is not safe. It's a safe.
This is the initiating event. No, it is a protecting. It
IPL
is a,
Muslim
yeah.
Riyala.
So Guru, I mean, we are correct because we are saying it's not the correct one because we have not considered as an IPL, right?
But Azab you consider as IPL, no?
Yeah, in Hazard, not IPL, we have considered as a safeguard. In safeguard, there are two categories, non-IPL and IPL. In Hazard, we can consider, but in SIL, we cannot consider. Emmanuel,
During the Azure, we would not consider this alarm specific as a safeguard.
Yeah,
Okay?
that's okay.
The overall safe will take the action. We are not asking operator to intervene at all. During Hazard,
No, there is no response time here.
yes,
It is alarm
Oh.
and trip immediate.
yes.
Because when you reach that alarm, that means you're tripping.
but in
The clip
Hazard,
will be taken before that for the
Oh.
pre-alarm.
okay.
Actually,
So
Mr. Chairman,
now it is
we didn't differentiate the EH and SH.